Austin doing. James did a wheelie. Oh! There goes one of James's sidebars.
Red. What's happened is the lane protection has come off this machine.
Yeah, that's my brother's guard that came off too.
If the lane protection comes off, the driver will be disqualified. We gotta keep the driver safe.
Aww.
Put your hands together for our driver.
Woo!
Get down, high water, lead, moving that lane protection.
That sucks. TJ's still on it though. He's right here. There he is. Oh! Woo!
We're gonna let that driver up and start that machine one more time.
That was nice.
He got her going.
Woo!
Driver, watch. Here we'll pressure.
TJ did a wheelie. Come on, TJ! Oh, that's uncalled for. Come on, TJ! Come on, TJ! Come on. Come on, TJ, come on. What's he doing? Oh! Oh! They're allowed to. I know.
Now you're down on that one, making it real hard to move. Number 12. I think he's all done. All done. Number 5. He's all done. We're down to 3. And the mark. Ely.
Woo!
Well, Ely.
Oh, come on, dude. Get back to that shit.
I'm trying to fire it up one more time. We're down to 2. Well, Ely, third place this evening. Oh, he got it going.
Woo!
Third place, taking on that third place Sunday, Wheeler driver. He's waving it off. Oh, wait a minute. Ely, will you start?